Hey everyone, Michelle Alexandria here, coming at you with a quick video. I just want to do a quick unboxing of this brand new Vizio Dolby Atmos Soundbar system. I'm not quite sure how best to unbox this thing, but as you can see, I unboxed it, and you can see how small the packaging is, and that's a little bit concerning. So if you look at it, look how small the subwoofer is. And look how small the main speaker is. I'm going to show you the accessories box in a second. So these are the two rear speakers, as you can see. These rear speakers are very small, very compact, but they're really nicely made. They feel sturdy, but they're just really small. Here, let me grab a pair of scissors so I can show you. So this is a regular standard pair of scissors. If you guys know how big a regular standard pair of scissors are. So look at this. As a comparison, look at the height difference. That's how small these speakers are. It's really hard to convey the size of these rear speakers just by this video camera. And sorry for the mess on my counter, but it is what it is. My kitchen counter is a mess right now. So here is the Vizio accessories box. I'm going to open this up in just a second and show you what's inside. And apologies if this looks a little dark to you, but my overhead lights are actually currently out. So my overhead kitchen lights right here are out, which is annoying. So I have to go and actually have them fix them. But it's annoying. But anyway, here's the accessories box, and there's a lot of accessories in this box. So we have the manual right here, nice. We have some basic audio cables here, power cord, just a regular ACD power cord for the subwoofer, I'm assuming. We have, man, this darkness is annoying, but it's in 4K. So you're talking 4K darkness, people. And this is actually another audio cable right here. This is actually the speaker cable. This is the cable for your rear satellite speaker. So there's two of these. And this is the terrible remote that I was telling you about. So hold on. So this is the terrible small remote. I'm sorry, I'm doing this one-handed, so I can't really show you. Can you open this? Well, here. You see that? I'm a professional, people. So this is the very small remote, and the LCD is going to be right here going across the screen, which I don't like. I want the LCD light to actually be on the unit itself so I can really see it. But I'm going to turn this on and see if the LCD is actually viewable. Two batteries. Another power cable, probably for the soundbar. That's the one thing I hate about soundbar systems. It's just all the power, the big power consumption. And actually, this is used for, I'm not sure what this is going to be used for, but I'm going to find out. It actually comes with the optical cable. Comes with the HDMI cable, which is really nice. And it comes with some wall mounting clamps. So this is actually a really nice full stack accessories kit. You got to give it up for Vizio for that, because again, you have to keep in mind the system is $4.99. So I can already tell you right now. So here's the subwoofer. It's very small. It's a very small subwoofer. So if you go here, so I'm gonna fire this up, but I can already tell you that I may end up returning this because yeah, it's $4.99, but I'm a little salty that there's no way these two small rear speakers have up-firing sound, because I don't even feel anything up here. So I can't imagine this actually having up-firing capability as advertised on the box. So they're probably reserving that feature for their more expensive version of this unit, but I like the size of it. It's really small, really compact, and I am gonna hook this up in just a second and start playing with it. So this is my really weird unboxing. I don't know how other YouTubers do the fancy slick unboxings, but this is my unboxing. This is my Feeble unboxing. So yeah, I kind of like this. but I'm really curious to see what it all looks like. So anyway, what it all sounds like. So anyway, talk to you guys later. Bye. So here's the soundbar itself. Very nice, very small. It feels really nice. It feels really nice. It doesn't feel cheap at all. I don't know what you would call this, but this feels like a felt, kind of like a weird felt thing. And there's no front speaker grills that you could take off, which I actually kind of like. I don't know, because on my Sony soundbar you could take off the speaker grill, but I'm not sure what that accomplishes. But you can actually feel the speaker. You can feel the speakers. There's a speaker here, so you can actually feel it. You can physically feel it right here. There's one here. There's none right up. There's one. There's something here. And this is another speaker that you can feel. And there's a speaker here. So these are speakers. Like two little speakers right here. And this is the center. And you can feel it right here. And oh, this is going to be the up-firing speaker, I think. So you can feel the up-firing speaker right here. And you can feel it right here. And there's nothing here. So you actually feel like, I actually do feel the three front speakers here, here, and here. And I actually feel the two up-firing speakers. One is right here, and one is right here. So that's really nice. You have buttons here. Now I like physical buttons. And then here on the back, let me turn it around. And sorry for the feebleness of this unboxing, but you know, when I tell you I do a feeble unboxing, people, believe me. So right here, on this side, you have one FireWire port. And it's so dark I can't tell, but I think that's a USB. These are your USB ports. And then over here you have the power cable. So that is the soundbar. And if you want to compare the size, the soundbar on the bottom is the Z9F. The soundbar on the top is the Vizio, so you can see the size difference. So look over here. So pretty much it's just slightly big, slightly smaller than the Z9F, but it has more speakers. So that's pretty interesting. It actually has up-firing speakers, and it has like 3 front-firing speakers, whereas the Z9F only has 3. So, and no up-firing speakers. So that's pretty darn good when you think about it.